Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making game day firecracker meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 cup of hot sauce, and also I have fully cooked frozen beef meatballs. Okay guys, we're gonna get a pot and we're gonna put it over medium heat, and we're gonna add our hot sauce in, our apple cider vinegar, our red pepper flakes, and also our brown sugar. Now we're just going to combine everything. Make sure everything is mixed in well. And we're going to let that simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Once your sauce is done simmering, all you want to do is pour it into a bowl. Now I place my meatballs into the microwave, and we're going to microwave them for 5 minutes. Okay guys, our meatballs are now done. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do now is take our meatballs and we're going to place them into our sauce. And we're going to get them nicely coated. And just place them onto our plate. Okay guys, once you have them on your plate, all you want to do is get some toothpicks, and we're just going to go ahead and put them in. Okay guys, so here we have it, our game day firecracker meatballs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.